Coming into foster care, I had no expectations. 2 weeks after I turned 15, I decided to take a stance against the abuse that was happening at home. I knew that I didn't want or deserve to be anyone's punching bag. I told my guidance counselor what was going on, and she made it possible to escape my dark past. At the end of the school day, a woman came to get me and took me to my house to gather my belongings. Since October 14, 2008, I have not looked back. My very first experience was being held in the ACS building. I looked around and just thought, wow, some of these kids went through similar situations. Even though I was happy to escape my past, it felt bittersweet. It was bittersweet because I would miss my family, and growing up, that's all I knew. After arriving, I had a placement in the city. Being mixed in with older youth took me down a path of destruction. I started to smoke, skip school, and just be all out defiant. Besides my bad decisions, I also had to deal with the emotional abuse from staff. They were supposed to encourage and motivate the LGBTQ community, but instead they disrespected us. The administration didn't have the youth's best interests at heart. They were mainly focused on the put-downs of residents and calling the police when they felt necessary. Staff wouldn't even respect the youth's preferred gender pronoun. This is essential to show respect to the LGBTQ community. My current placement has a better support system and is youth-oriented. This is how our agency should operate. Seeing where I was just a couple years ago and where I am now is amazing. I will not change any of my life experiences because it made me advocate for myself when I didn't have anyone that would. My advice to young people is that nothing in the world is handed to you. If you want it, go get it. Don't wait on the people to tell you about opportunities. Take the initiative to find your own resources. Education is key to anyone's success. Being self-motivated actually helped my peers to do better. Going through several placements in many different faces, my experience had made me the young, insightful gay man I am today.